Jerusalema, ikhaya lami, ilondoloze.
Welcome everyone to another episode of Nature Care. I'm your host Progress, and these are our presenters.
I'm Ray.
And I'm Melissa.
And today we'll be telling you about Nature Care Farm. To invest in the Nature Care Farm, become an affiliate to earn 10% referral commission for anyone you recommend to benefit from Nature Care Farm opportunity. Stay tuned.
Rockin' FM, we celebrate multiculturalism. We are one people, just different color. Rockin' FM, we play the hits from new and past, from local to international artists. Keep rocking all day, all night. Rockin' FM, we rock your world. We are the baddest radio station on this planet. Rockin' FM, we cannot be touched.
Welcome back, everyone. We're still speaking about Nature Care Farm. Plant your money with Nature Care Farm and harvest double portion in 12 months. Our return on investment is 100% higher than any bank. Only interested parties should call our Toronto head office on any number listed below. To sign up, call 416-900-8265 or 416-900-8728. Stay tuned.
We rock your world. Rockin' FM Radio invites you to join the World Peace Movement.
Welcome back, viewers. We're still talking about Nature Care Farm. With your money harvest sold, all members get paid double whatever amount they contribute.
Like us on our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. Thank you.
Peace. We're out.